Everyone loves a good glow up until they check their bank balance. Because somehow, self-care always comes with a price tag: face masks, serums, hair treatments, all that fancy stuff. But here's the truth: you don't need a shopping spree to glow up. You just need effort, creativity, and maybe a spoonful of honey. This is your $0 transformation: skincare, hair care, and self-care using only what you already have. Because glowing doesn't have to mean spending. It just means caring. Let's turn broke into beautiful for free. Skincare. Homemade glow mask. Take 1 spoon of honey and mix it with a pinch of turmeric for a brightening mask that gives you that golden radiance. If you don't have turmeric, mash half a banana with yogurt. Leave it on for 15 minutes, rinse it off, and admire the glow. Lip softening scrub. Mix sugar with honey or olive oil, scrub gently in circular motions, and wipe off. Your lips will look soft and glossy like lip gloss but free. Ice facial magic. Wrap an ice cube in a clean cloth and gently glide it over your face for a few minutes. It shrinks pores, reduces puffiness, and gives you that glass skin shine instantly. Bonus: it wakes you up better than coffee. Aloe vera glow gel. If you've got an aloe plant at home, slice it open, scoop the gel, and apply it as a moisturizer. It hydrates, soothes, and literally makes your skin feel bouncy. Keep it in the fridge for extra cooling. Cucumber eye treatment. Cut a few slices of cucumber and place them over your eyes for 10 minutes. It depuffs, cools, and gives you that "I had 8 hours of sleep" illusion. Even if you didn't, steam glow up. Boil some water. Pour it into a bowl and let your face hover above it. Towel over your head like a DIY spa day. Steam unclogs pores and makes your skin soft and fresh. Just don't overdo it. Once or twice a week is enough. DIY moisturizer mix. No fancy creams. Mix a few drops of coconut oil or olive oil with a bit of aloe vera gel. It's a light, hydrating moisturizer that leaves your skin smooth without being greasy. Spot treatment fix. Got pimples? Dab a tiny bit of honey on the spot and leave it overnight. It kills bacteria, reduces redness, and makes the spot less noticeable by morning. Gentle exfoliation hack. Mix a spoon of oatmeal with milk or water and rub it gently on your face. It removes dead skin and leaves your face smooth like a mini facial scrub, but completely natural. Hydration from within. Sometimes glowing skin just needs more water. Refill that bottle, drink often, and thank yourself later. Hydration is the most underrated skincare step ever, and it's totally free. Grooming glow up. Let's be honest, good grooming makes you look instantly put together. You could be wearing pajamas, but if your hands are clean, your brows are neat, and your skin is fresh, you look expensive. Eyebrow grooming. Eyebrows, they deserve some love too. Comb them upward with a clean spoolie or old toothbrush. Then pluck the stray hairs under your arch, only the obvious ones. Don't overdo it. Face massage. Now, let's talk about face massage, the most underrated glow up trick ever. Use your fingertips or the back of a cold spoon and massage your cheeks, jawline, and under your eyes in gentle upward strokes. It boosts blood flow, relaxes your face, and even helps reduce puffiness. Nail care. Now for your nails. Trim them evenly, file them into shape, and clean underneath. Even short nails can look aesthetic if they're neat. Hand care. Soak them in warm water for a few minutes, then gently scrub them with sugar and a few drops of oil or honey. Rinse, pat dry, and add a tiny bit of Vaseline or moisturizer. Instantly soft, smooth, and fresh like a salon manicure without the salon. Oral care. Oral care is next because nothing says glow up like a clean smile. Brush your teeth properly, floss if you can, and clean your tongue. Yes, that's important. If you don't have mouthwash, use salt water, it works just as well. Smell fresh, feel fresh, and finally, take care of your scent. If you don't have perfume, dab a bit of coconut oil mixed with a few drops of your favorite body lotion on your wrists and neck. You'll smell subtly fresh without spending anything. Haircare glow up. Healthy hair can change your whole vibe. It's like an instant confidence booster. Shiny, soft hair just hits different. Even if you're in your comfiest hoodie, oil before you wash. Start with a good oiling session. Warm up a little coconut or olive oil and massage it into your scalp. It boosts blood circulation, strengthens roots, and adds that natural shine. Leave it on for an hour or two or overnight if you want to go full spa day at home. When you wash it off, your hair will already feel softer. Double shampoo if needed. If your hair feels heavy or greasy, try double shampooing. The first wash removes oil and dirt. The second actually cleans your scalp. Trim split ends for a neat finish. Grab a pair of small scissors and snip off the split ends. You don't need to cut much, just the dry or frizzy tips. It instantly makes your hair look cleaner, thicker, and more put together. Think of it as giving your hair a mini reset. Try new hairstyles. Now for the fun part, experiment with your look. Try braids, buns, claw clips, or slick back ponytails. Even just parting your hair differently can change your whole face shape. Play around until you find something that makes you feel confident and fresh. Bonus tip: use cold water rinse. At the end of your shower, do a quick cold water rinse. It helps close the hair cuticle, adds shine, and keeps your scalp healthy. Plus, it's the easiest free hack for that natural glossy look. Self-care glow up, because a true glow up isn't just about your skin or hair, it's about your vibe. When your mind feels calm and your soul feels light, you automatically glow from the inside out. Peaceful moments: make yourself a cup of herbal tea, coffee, or even your favorite homemade drink, something warm that makes you feel comforted. Sit quietly, put your phone away, and just be. Writing for gratitude and self-love. Write down 3 things you love about yourself or moments you're thankful for. It shifts your mindset from what I lack to what I already have. Over time, it boosts your confidence and makes your glow up feel emotional, not just physical. Clean your space. Clear your mind. Take 10 minutes to tidy your desk, make your bed, or organize your skincare shelf. A clean space makes you feel instantly calmer and more in control. It's one of those small things that quietly makes a big difference in your overall glow. Dressing style glow up. Looking stylish doesn't mean wearing expensive clothes. It's about confidence, comfort, and how you carry what you wear. Outfits that match you. Wear clothes that make you feel good, whether that's cozy loungewear, baggy jeans, or a simple white tee. Your outfit doesn't have to be expensive. It just has to reflect your vibe. Accessorize smartly. Add small touches: cute hair clips, minimal jewelry, or a pair of cool sunglasses. Little details elevate even the simplest outfits. Confidence is the real outfit. Walk with confidence, smile, and keep your head up. Even if your outfit is simple, your energy makes it look 10 times better. Posture. Good posture changes everything. You instantly look more confident, taller, and composed without doing anything else. Stand tall and relax. Pull your shoulders back slightly, lift your chin, and keep your spine straight. It's not about being stiff, it's about carrying yourself with quiet confidence. Stretch every morning. Take 2 minutes each morning to stretch your arms, roll your neck, and loosen your back. It improves your posture throughout the day and makes you feel refreshed before anything else. Think of it as your free body reset.